What does the acronym LDK stand for?
Hello there, curious minds. Today, we're going to explore the acronym LDK. You've probably seen this set of letters in different contexts and wondered what they mean. Well, let's unveil the mystery together.
LDK in tech jargon.
If you're a tech enthusiast, you might know that LDK often stands for Library Development Kit. This refers to a set of software tools used by developers to create libraries, which are essentially collections of pre-compiled routines that a program can use. The purpose of these kits is to streamline the development process, make it more efficient, and ensure consistency in coding. The LDK can include components like compilers, debuggers, and other necessary tools used in software development.
LDK in real estate.
Moving on to a completely different domain, LDK is also a common term in real estate, particularly in Japan. In this context, LDK stands for Living, Dining, Kitchen. This abbreviation is used to describe the layout of apartments and houses. For instance, a 2LDK indicates a house or apartment with 2 bedrooms, in addition to separate areas for living, dining, and a kitchen. The concept of LDK is to provide a spatial understanding of a property's layout at a glance. And there you have it, the 2 most common interpretations of LDK. So, whether you're diving into the depths of a coding project or looking for a new place to live, this acronym can be your guide. As always, context is key when deciphering acronyms. Thanks for joining me on this fun journey of exploration, and remember, there's always more to learn.